Hey everyone, I'm Joe Hansen from CRP, and while I usually talk about specific EPS applications, parts, or technical tips, today I want to talk about EPS in general. Now, while EPS or electric power steering may seem like relatively new technology, it's actually been used in production vehicles as early as 1991 and is increasingly common, even on domestic vehicles. Here's an example of just one of the major US manufacturers and how long they've had EPS systems on the road. As you can see, EPS has been used in Ford models from as far back as 2010. It's not only the future of power steering, it's very much the now. So if you plan to be in the power steering business, you have to get into EPS. The good news is that AAE can help you navigate the landscape. If you're nervous because you're late to the game, don't worry, you're not alone. But the time to act is now, because eventually there will be no more hydraulic steering systems left to repair. Have a question about EPS or any other AAE parts? Just post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.